When I look out of my window, I see this. Snow everywhere. So I thought it's time to let the sunshine into my heart. Today I'm baking a zesty, crunchy orange almond cake. It's a very easy recipe and surely will brighten up any winter's day and any gloomy mood one could have. So let's make it happen. We're starting off by preheating our oven to 180 degrees and greasing a cake tin. Mine is 28 centimeters diameter. The recipe calls for 20, a smaller one. I don't have it. I think it's absolutely fine. So butter it and then use 2 tablespoons of your ground almonds to sprinkle on it so we get the cake out later on. Next, zest, 1 orange, and squeeze the juice out of it. We're using an orange that obviously hasn't been treated on the surface. We don't want any chemicals unnecessarily, so pay attention to that, not just any orange. Keep the zest to one side. Separate 3 eggs. Our ingredients are 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of ground almonds, 3 eggs separated. We have a pinch of salt. We have 125 grams of sugar with vanilla pod. The vanilla pod is optional. You don't need to put that in, but I always think it enhances the flavor quite nicely. Then we have the juice of our orange as well as the zest. We have 50 grams of flour and I have half a tablespoon of baking powder, and that's it. We continue by mixing the butter, the leftover sugar, and then our orange zest. Until it's very creamy, and only then will we fold in the egg yolks. We now sieve the flour as well as the baking powder. Fold in some flour, followed by a bit of juice, and then continue. And we now carefully fold in the beaten egg whites. Gently, bit by bit. Pour the mixture into your tin. Sprinkle a few almond slivers on top. So now bake in the middle of your oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And keep an eye, because the almonds, they go dark quite quickly. You might have to cover it after 15 minutes. You have to see it depending on your oven. So let's put it in. The orange almond cake is ready. The only thing for me left to do is to dust a little of powdered sugar on it. The only thing left to do, as always, is a taste test. This is a very moist cake, so you will see that it's a little bit fragile because it's moist, but it's absolutely nice. And it's very, very citrusy and nutty crunch on top. really good, not so sweet. Nice orange flavor, and I love the crunchy almonds on top. So really, you can see it's dark outside, but it definitely will lift my winter gloom. If you enjoy my cake videos, you should also check out the entire cake playlist that I've put together for you. There's plenty more in there and plenty more coming as well. And yes, so have a look there as well. Thank you so much for watching me today making this, and I see you in the next video. Bye.